Good morning. Today I will share with you how I check my blood sugar monitor every morning. Okay, let's do it. First of all, I got a cotton. Lilinisan mo muna yung finger na i-prick mo with alcohol. So I'm using my pinky. Clean it with alcohol. This is my blood sugar monitor. I'm using Accu Chek. You see it? I'm using Accu Chek Performa monitor. This is very easy to use. So what you do, just turn it on. It's on. Waiting for the strip now. So you put a strip. This is an Accu Chek Performa strip. Dapat kung ano yung machine mo, ganun din yung iyong strip. Otherwise, siya pwedeng gamitin. So the one with the yellow thing will be outside. So just put it like that. And then now it's waiting for you to put a blood on it. Now this is the lancet. The lancet is very easy to use. So there's like a setting. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can adjust depend on how thick your skin is. So for me, I'm only using number 1. So let's do it. So you just put it on your finger like that and just click it. And then let the blood come out. And then get your monitor and then put the blood into the yellow thing. And then just wait. Yep, very quick. So at the moment, my blood sugar is 6.2. Okay, there is another feature of this machine. For example, you want to know what is your blood sugar yesterday. All you need to do is click the rewind button. Okay, hold on, let's just turn it back on. So today I'm 6.2. And then the other one is 5.9. And then before that is 6.4. And then 5.8. So meron din siyang date sa taas kung kailan mo siya kinuha. And meron din siyang time. Kailan mo siya kinuha. So this monitor is very easy to use. I hope I can help you guys. And again, this is what I'm using. I'm using an Accu Chek Performa blood glucose monitor. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.